As you will be knowing, as learned from the standard textbooks, the third cranial nerve or the oculomotor nerve supplies the levator muscle of the eyelid and the three rectus, that is the medial, inferior and superior rectus. Well, we know that the lateral rectus is supplied by the sixth cranial nerve. It also supplies the inferior oblique. So essentially the nerve adducts the eye and elevates or depresses the eye. So basically, other than adducting the eye, elevating or depressing, it also plays a role in the control of the pupillary fibers and also the levator muscle of the eyelid, basically lifting of the eyelid. So palsy will present either with drooping of the eyelid along with a double vision. This double vision can actually happen in horizontal, vertical or oblique gaze. Pupillary dilatation is often asymptomatic, but occasionally it can cause a blurring of static vision. I'll give you some time to look at this image to identify the abnormal finding for yourself, and subsequently I will narrate the findings. Hope you got it right. You can see that there is a ptosis of the right eye. You can also see the frowning seen in the right side of the forehead, indicating that the patient is attempting to lift the right eyelid using the frontalis muscle. Again, you can see that there is slight abduction of the right eye. If you compare the position of the eye, the neutral position of the left eye and the right eye, you can see that there is a slight abduction. You can see that the right eye is slightly abducted due to the unopposed action of the right lateral rectus. So though the pupil is dilated, we are not able to see because of the image quality. So that will be a finding which you can pick up by close examination. So in this video, you can see that when there is a left horizontal gaze, there is weakness of right adduction, whereas right horizontal gaze is normal. So left horizontal gaze, there is weakness of adduction on the right side, whereas on right horizontal gaze, there is no defect in the eye movement. So this basically is a video which shows you right adduction weakness as a result of third nerve palsy.